yet? Have you seen this problem? So this problem is just one of your, it's like the reverse of the power rule of derivatives. Why do I know that? Because these are all these things can be written in terms of...
Well,
so we're going to take this and we're going to rewrite this as, remember, this is just y to the 1/2 power, and same with this is y to the 1/2 power.
mm-hmm.
So what I really have is the integral of y to the, what do I do with the 2 and the 1/2?
Multiply them? Or do you add them?
I add them together.
So 2.5.
So 2.5, which is what? 5/2. I prefer to write it as an improper fraction. Y to the 5/2 plus, and then let's move this to the top. So that would be 1/2 y to the negative 1/2 power.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And so now I just do the power rule in reverse. So the power rule is I add 1 to this and then divide by that. So adding 1 to that would be 7/2.
Yeah, and then you would multiply by 2 over 7.
So that becomes 7/2, and then this becomes 2 over 7, like 2 7s, like that.
Yeah.
Right? And then this is, or actually, let me do it like this. 2 7s. I like to just put it in front. And same thing with this. Add 1 to it, so it becomes positive 1/2.
And then times, so 2.
And then divide it by 1/2, so the 2 and the 1/2 cancel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, multiply by 2, so the 1/2 and the 2 cancel. So this is just 1 y squared. And then, of course, don't forget your c, because this is an indefinite integral because they don't have limits of integration. So you got to put the c out front there.
Okay.
Now, how can you check this? Take this problem and take the derivative of it
Oh, and then it
and
would...
see if it equals this thing right here or this thing right here.
Okay.
And you'll see that it does. Now, why did I put the c here? Well, because if I took the derivative, what would happen to the constant if I have some constant? It would go away. So I don't know what the constant could be any constant. Since they're not giving me any specifications of where they want me to take the integral,
Okay.
I have to hold the c there because there technically could be another constant sitting outside there.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.